Ring in the new year with style and adventure at eWishHub's Happy New Year sale. Bass Pro Shops gear up for great outdoors. Adventure awaits at Bass Pro Shops. Dive into the Happy New Year sale and explore unbeatable deals on outdoor gear, fishing essentials, and camping must-haves. Whether you're an avid angler or a nature enthusiast, make a splash in the new year with the quality and savings that only Bass Pro Shops can provide. It's time to gear up for a year of outdoor excitement. Nordstrom. Elevate your style, elevate your year, step into a world of glamour and sophistication with Nordstrom. Unleash your inner fashionista in 2024 with exclusive discounts on luxury apparel, designer accessories, and beauty essentials. Elevate your style and embrace the new year with confidence, because at Nordstrom, every day is a fashion show and the world is your runway. Don't miss out on the excitement. Shop, save, and set the tone for a year filled with style and adventure at eWishHub's Happy New Year sale. Hurry, these deals won't last forever. Make 2024 your year of discovery and fashion-forward delights.